Let's make this super yummy, bright green goddess dressing. And guess what? It's vegan and kid approved.
It's yummy.
To get started, melt your coconut oil over medium-low heat and add the shallots and sweat them, which means cook them on low until they're almost transparent. Then add your powdered herbs. After adding your powdered herbs, you'll add some salt as well as your capers and silken tofu. You're going to warm it just through, then add it all to your blender, top with a little more salt to taste, add all of your super fragrant, vibrant herbs. Then, here's the trick, adding some lemon juice and lemon zest. That is going to carry that yummy lemon flavor forward. Blend it all together. You'll use just enough water to get it to the right consistency. Then it's time to assemble your bowl. So you're going to go ahead, add your rice with steamed veggies of your choice. Then drizzle or drown your bowl in this gorgeous green goddess dressing. And top with some sunflower seeds and green onions if you like. Enjoy your rainbow feast.